In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Tap it gear to open up settings and privacy. And then we need to get into account center. To do that, tap where it says see more in account center. Then tap at personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Then select your Facebook account you would like to delete. Select delete account option and tap at container. Continue again. From that list you can choose any option. And then tap at container. Container one more time. After that, scroll down and tap at container. On that step, we need to enter our Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap at container. And on that final step, we need to confirm permanent account deletion. Once we tap at delete account button, our account will be hidden from Facebook, including our page, our name, our media content such as photos and videos, and all our boss. And the content will be held for 30 days. In that 30 days, we'll be able to restore our account simply by logging back in. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted.